get some more. So that's cooking. Let's get tomatoes, and lettuce, lettuce. And we got lettuce, tomatoes, and there. These should be ready. Tomato, lettuce, and bun. Oh, yeah, bun. Aha. So I got these buns for sesame buns. I think they're like $6. These buns are like the most outrageous homemade bun. Oh no, are they hamburger bun? Yeah, I think so. But I think you have to cut it. Bun. So you gotta cut it in half. Oh yeah. Cut it in half and put it inside a bowl. I have to find a plate to put it in. So we can put them in here. I got 4 of them, so I gotta make them $6 for a bun. Easy and peasy and easy and peasy. Turn on the fan. So I make these buns. There we go. Usually I would cut these onion, you know, so I'll dry out. But the onion are like $1, $2 for one So I slide them small slices. And I put them in here. Here for the onion makes the smell of the beef go away, so that's not good right there. I think that's good enough onion for the day. And then I got a perfect plan for tomatoes. And my tomato is washed. Good. It looks yummy. And then we have salad. I got romaine salad. It's already washed, so you don't have to do it. And romaine salad over here. quick and easy lunch. And we got single crab American cheese. Single crab American cheese. And we put on the hamburger, which is this one. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I usually make lunch before I go to work. You know, these are the best homemade recipe and these are lunch. Quick and easy. And I have to bring this over here. Sticky. I need like a pan. It's too sticky. Oh no. Spray in the what do you call this? Avocado spray. So that way it don't get so sticky at the end. Romaine tomato, cheese, romaine tomato. We have onions here. And you know, I usually put lamb in it to make it more of a fatty. White. So a little bit of lamb to make it more. For some reason I cannot open these. Okay. Please away. And I got some St. Patrick cake, $6. St. Patrick cake. So I'm gonna take one out. And then we have Bumblebee. Bumblebee. And we got a strawberry parfait cake, which is the best ever. So let's put on the plate. Strawberry parfait cake. So this, we got Bumblebee. Bumblebee cake, and then we got strawberry parfait. Wait, I almost perfect. This is good. Strawberry parfait. So much for that. Yum. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So we have cake, and we have this, and then the hamburger is almost done. A while to cook. I'm gonna put a lid over it. Okay. Mother. Let's enjoy the cake. This is good. Very good. I'm full. So good. So good. Thanks for watching. So make sure you buy the strawberry parfait cake. Delicious. So good. And this one is a Bumblebee chocolate cake underneath, and then the creamy on the side. That's so good too. And I have a ring, you can wear them. Yum. So good. So good. Okay, thanks for watching. See ya.